Hi, 8th grade parents. I'm Mr. Freeman.
How you doing? I'm Mr. Corbett, and we have your students here at the high school. This is what one of our rooms looks like, and we're going to go over some of the things your child's going to be doing this year. We're going to start with Mr. Freeman. He's working in some Photoshop.
So basically what we have here, we're teaching a computer graphics unit. In the computer graphics unit, we use Photoshop. We learn the difference between different layers that the kids actually use to produce an image. In this case, it looks like a logo, or we also have a flyer that we use for part of the Photoshop program. We deal with the different tools, the basic use of Photoshop. They actually create a business, and the business, they'll create their logo related to their business and an advertisement for it. So over here on my left, we'll get into Autodesk Inventor, a 3D CAD program, where they'll create simple 3D objects, and we can then manipulate it, go to 2D, or we can even orbit and spin the object around in a circle so they can see the different views of the object. We have finally a Marble Mania board, which is what our 8th graders in the past have used. They make it in our production lab. Unfortunately, this year we won't be able to do that, but Mr. Corbett and I are working on the possibility of coming up with another way to teach simple machines and have the kids use Inventor to create a Marble Mania type of project. So we'll move on to Mr. Corbett, where he'll talk about some robotics.
So those are some units we're doing. We're also going to be working with some coding. And last year in 7th grade, we introduced it a little bit, but here we have Scratch. And this program, your child's going to be learning how to write code with mathematics, algorithms to create shapes, games, manipulate sprites on the screen, and think logically using a little bit of algebra. And this unit, the kids really enjoy and have a lot of fun with. And then from that, we're going to transpire over here, and we actually have a physical robot. Okay, and we're going to program this robot the same way. So start, drive forward, turn left. It's got sensors on it, so maybe the sensors will avoid hitting a wall. And if it comes close to the wall, what do you want the robot to do? Will you choose? Let's have it back up. Let's have it turn, go in a different direction. And that's going to be part of our programming unit that we're going to do, and the kids really enjoy doing that with some real-world problem solving with our physical robots. And look forward to seeing you. We have students in class doing the hands-on stuff, and then when they're doing their hybrid at-home things, it's going to be things like notes, watching some tutorials, so there'll be assignments on our non-personal days that they're going to be taking care of at home. If you have any questions, shoot Mr. Freeman or myself an email. Look forward to a great year.